Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a group in a Roblox. Now it's a very easy process, watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps, and let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is hop onto your preferred browser, go down to roblox.com, sign into your existing account and go to the top left corner where the burger menu appears, the drop down menu, and here you see a little button called groups. Now here you open up the groups. Now here you can join groups, but in the top right corner you see a create group option. Now from here what you want to do, you want to name your group, you want to create a description for your group, you want to change the emblem as you can see right here, and there you can choose anyone, so everyone can join automatically, or a manual approval that you have to do yourself. Now as you can see here, it costs 100 Robux, so make sure that you have a balance that exceeds 100 Robux so you can purchase a group. Now it's very easy, and that's everything you need to know. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.